I had a little old rabbi, and I think, I'm not sure, but I think we gave him a quarter a week to teach us. He's the one who taught me my Haftorah and everything. And to this day, I remember him because he was old, and he had a long gray beard, and all day long, he had a little machine beside him that he used to make cigarettes on. You know, he would put the paper in and push some tobacco in. He would push something, and a cigarette would come out. And this is all day long he would try to teach us, make cigarettes and smoke. And he smoked so much that I remember him, his beard was gray, but up until like 2 or 3 inches below his beard, it was all yellow from the nicotine, because there was no such thing as filters in those days. It was strictly tobacco. And his little white gray beard was full of yellow nicotine all the time. And when you didn't pay attention, he walked around with a ruler and hit you on the hands with the ruler. And that's what I remember of my little old rabbi that taught us Yiddish.